So here is your Unit 1 story reading assessment. Okay, so what is the title of the story? Louder?
Ants.
Very good.
A man with a well is at the dam.
Very good. Next.
He has a fan or can and a yam.
Wow, great job. Okay, bakit black pa rin to? Let's change it with red. Okay, check, check. Good job, perfect. Now, let's go to the next one.
Ants want a
Again.
the yam.
All right, konti lang dito, but great job. Next. Again.
The man put jam on
Again. What's this?
on the yam. For
Again.
in the ants.
Okay, can you read it again?
The man puts jam on the yam. Ants.
Very good. So, what are your sight words?
With at but
Hurts.
on for.
All right, great job. So you did very well today. Can you give me a high five? High five.